Lilybirds, good afternoon. We're leaving Oakley again today. We're going to Fat Bob's in Moorabbin. I've heard good things about this one. I've seen the look of the place. It looks great with all the signage, all the Americana, that American bar look. It really looks fantastic, and we're looking forward to having a couple of burgers there. And we'll come back with a review and let you know all about it. See you, Lilybirds. Bye. Lilybirds. We just left Fat Bob's in Moorabbin. We just had our burgers, and I have to say, the burgers, my preference is that they need to be well cooked, and they tend to do the medium rare, a lot of these burger joints, so you've got to really stress well cooked. And the Simplex burger was quite nice and basic. I added some bacon and onions, and that was fine. The other burger that Gad had, these red dog, that is an absolute handful. And you got to like your pickles, so I'm not sure how well that went. That was okay, but I think our preference is for a Simplex burger. That's the
I didn't like it
single patty.
Didn't like it.
Whereas the red dog, which we didn't like so much because it was just too much, double patty, stacks of pickles. You really got to like that sort of stuff. So we're generally happy with the Simplex burger. Very nice setting there with all the lovely signage and all the Americana. It looks really a great little place.
Beers too.
And beers and lots of other things, and we enjoyed it, but you've got to know what to get, and that's the main thing with these things. So we had an enjoyable afternoon, and we'll see you next time, Lilybirds. See ya! Yeah.